Right, I'm going to be sowing a variety called CLARKIA Choice Double Mixed. An easy to grow cottage garden favourite with rounded double and semi-double blooms. Tall stems make them ideal for use as cut flowers, it says here. You can sow this March, April, May or August, September, October to flower the following spring. Right, here we go. These peat pellets, because you've got to sow them outside where they go to flower, and so I can place them where I want. I'm using these peat pellets. All you do is make a hole top of each one, as so. Once you made the hole, quite easy to do. Open your seed packet. As you can see, absolutely tiny. You get 1,000 seeds for as little as £1 here in the UK. We've got, right, all we need to do, a couple of seeds in each one. I'll be saving some of these seeds for the autumn, so I can put on, sow some to flower next spring. They're a half hardy annual, well no, totally hardy annual, sorry. Beautiful flowers. There. A few more to do. Yeah, by sowing them this way, it gives you the opportunity to fill any gaps in your garden, which you wouldn't get if you sowed them in situ. And that's it. Put the remaining seeds back. There we go. Right, here we go. All we're doing now is just take your pen, simply press them down, cover them 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimetre. My American friends, I used to work in inches, which I wish we still did. Once that's done, with the covered, I'll give them a spray. Then put them on a nice warm windowsill to germinate. You go to at least 60 centimetres, which is 2 foot. And normally take 14 to 28 days to flower. Just so to germinate, sorry. Thank you very much. Any questions, please ask. Bye.